I should say good evening at this point to the chair and members. My name is Eli Zigas. I'm the executive director at Fullwell. Fullwell is a nonprofit based here in California, and we focus on food policy that advances and promotes health, justice, and sustainability. And I appreciate being asked to share with you about another program you've heard about so many, the CalFresh Fruit and Vegetable EBT program. Like other programs you've heard about tonight, CalFood and the California Nutrition Incentive Program, this is one that I think has the double benefit of why we're here today. We're talking about addressing food security, so this is a program that reduces hunger. It's also a program that supports California farmers. And before I get too deep into the impact, let me explain how the program works. It's very similar to Market Match, and I would say the difference, one of the overriding differences of this one is it's primarily focused on grocery store context as opposed to farmers markets. So imagine you're a CalFresh participant. You walk into one of the participating locations. There are about 90 grocery stores across the state and one farmer's market. And you do your normal shopping. You've got $5.32 of carrots, onions, cilantro in your basket, and you go to the cash register like normal. Take out your EBT card, you swipe like normal. Assuming you have money in your account, $5.32 gets deducted as normal. What's different, what's new, is immediately you get $5.32 rebated back to your card, effectively making the fruits and vegetables free. And that's up to $60 a month. So that is what the EBT program is. It's fruit and vegetable supplemental benefits. And the mechanism is through the normal process at a grocery store in which you purchase your food. This is very complementary to the other programs. And I think Becky made the point that food banks support both CalFresh and their own operations because some people need both. And I would say this is true of, we have many different channels by which people get the assistance they need. And CalFood is one, Market Match is another, CNIP is another, and the CalFresh Fruit and Vegetable EBT program. They are complementary, they are not duplicative, and we need them all right now. You've heard the statistics about how bad hunger is. This program really got off the ground in 2012. Take that back. This program got off the ground in 2023. Don't know why I said 2012. Yeah, 2023, and then has had two cycles. And one was from 2023 to April 2024, and then with the support of the legislature and governor last year, an additional $10 million was allocated to the program. So it restarted again right around Halloween, this past Halloween, and went until January, just a few months ago, when it was forced to stop again for running out of money. Like I said, it's at 90 different grocery stores. They're up in Mendocino, too, and there are 7 in the southern part of the Bay Area in Salinas, and then the vast majority are in Southern California at a chain, Mother's Nutritional Center grocery stores. Some quick stats on the impact: $17 million in benefits earned by CalFresh households through the course of the 2 cycles. But to make that a little more granular, in January alone, which was the biggest month of the program, it was $3.3 million that households earned, 67,000 households particularly, which works out to an average of about $49 a month per household that people are getting in effectively free fruits and vegetables. Though the retail locations are only in 10 counties, we know that Californians from more than 40 counties are benefiting because people move around the state. We know that people who use this program like it. 95% of survey respondents said they want to see the program expand. 92% said that this program supports their family's health, and 80% of respondents said they bought more or much more fruits and vegetables because of the program. That's a survey administered by the Department of Social Services. And I should have said earlier that this program has gotten up and was able to restart so quickly is a testament to the work of the agency, the Department of Social Services, and the Office of Technology and Solutions Integration. Really couldn't have done it without them and the grocery partners themselves. But those are all statistics, and I think it's helpful to hear from CalFresh participants themselves about the impact of this program. So we have a video, and these are testimonials collected at Mother's Nutritional Center stores. That store is just really good with their customer engagement and captured some stories from people.
Well, $60 of the fruits and vegetables, it gives you a lot of things to make, especially for your kids, things like that. And it's healthy. It's fruits, vegetables. That's what they need. Because a lot of families right now are struggling with the high prices and stuff like that at the grocery store. So $60 every month is really helpful for a lot of people right now.
Hello everybody, my name is Valentina. I'm a resident of Montebello for 8 years. I am so happy that the pilot program is back. It actually helped me reverse my type 2 diabetes. Now I'm just like the opposite. I now am reactive, hypoglycemic, meaning that my blood sugar drops because the pilot program helped me eat much healthier, make healthier choices. I no longer crave the breads, the pasta, and everything I used to. I crave the vegetables, so I'm just really glad the program is back because it's very beneficial.
I am so excited that the pilot program came back. This is going to help my family. I have a 3-year-old and a 9-year-old. And with Thanksgiving coming, it's like I didn't even spend anything today. I get all of it back. And there's a lot of families out here that need this extra assistance. So thank you so much, pilot program.
In addition to that impact for families, I know because this is a joint hearing, I also want to emphasize there's an ag impact as well. So OK Produce is the produce distributor who sells to Mother's Nutritional Center, and they reported that when the program is active, they go from delivering produce once a week to some stores to, in some cases, 2 or 3 times a week. Like, the increase in sales is very real. That helps people address their food needs, but it's also supporting California farmers because so much of what is grown and is purchased is grown by farmers here in California. The potential of this program is great. We are just scratching the surface of what we could do. At Fullwell, we have a long-term goal for this to be available at grocery stores statewide, really any place where fruits and vegetables are sold and people use CalFresh. That is a big leap from where we are now, but the near-term goal is to extend this program so it doesn't turn on and off, that it runs year-long. So that's extension for 12 months and a modest expansion. Chair Lee has put forward, along with Senator Richardson, a $63 million budget request. So while we're talking about budget requests to sign on, would love support for that one. And also, Assemblymember Lee has put forward AB 936, which would tweak the policy framework to basically set the program up for that expansion. I want to note it's really important to understand that in these tough budget times, of that $63 million request, 98.5% of it is budgeted to go straight into people's pockets. It is for those supplemental benefits. I think one of the things we really find strongly valuable about this program is how efficient it is in addition to how effective it is. And when we have not much money to go around, I think that's a really important factor to consider. So the last things I'll leave you with is California has put state funds to do something very important. It's done that on multiple programs here. You're hearing it across the board. And I think what I'd love to leave you with is you have a number of great programs, including the CalFresh Fruit and Vegetable EBT program. We can help more people. We just need to put the political will and the effort in to do it, and I hope you'll join with your colleagues to make that happen. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want to thank the panel. Now we're going to go to member questions or comments. So if members have any questions or comments, please indicate to me now. Okay. I just also want to say thank you for Eli for reminding us about the bill that is setting on course the CalFresh fruits and vegetable program to become permanent. That would just pass the Human Services Committee yesterday. So all the Human Services members just voted for it yesterday, so it's on its way to